DP Graphene Quick Detailer is the perfect companion for the GR4 graphene coating, but you can use it on any finish. It'll remove white dust, fingerprints, and smudges to keep your car sparkling clean. Plus, every time you use it, this graphene-infused quick detailer will provide extra protection to maintain the finish on your car. And it's so simple to use. Simply mist a little onto a section of paint, spread with a microfiber towel, then flip to the dry side and wipe to a brilliant high shine. Harness the power of graphene to keep your car looking amazing. To get your bottle, go to Autogeek.com.